Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever used Boolean and your model just broke, half of it disappeared and you or were like, forgot it, I just model it with a table pulley. Today you will see why that happened and why ProBoolean is the hero you've been missing. So, first we want to talk about Boolean and ProBoolean, and at the end of this video I want to create two shapes with ProBoolean, and you can see it's so easy. For use Boolean and ProBoolean in create in compound object Boolean and ProBoolean. Both Boolean and ProBoolean live under compound object. Boolean is basic and older. It combines or subtract geometry. ProBoolean is faster, smarter, and give more control. For example, create a box and hit auto create. Like this. And now convert to a table pulley. And now when you create in compound object Boolean. Classic Boolean has for main operation union, subtract, intersection, merge, and something like that. And if the messy result usually flip normal or non-table pulley object, don't forget, before you use a Boolean or ProBoolean, convert to a table pulley. Now, for example, I select this box, and if I select intersect, add a parent and select this one, or this one, and select this, you can see, or subtract, and also this one. We have two options here. First one is in print. If I click here and select this one, you can see not just I have line here, and when we can use this, for example, if now I convert to a table pulley again, and I can use this polygon and move, or for example, insert and extrude, or something like that. And also, if I create a box, and now in normal, you can see I have one box here. Already I have two shapes here, but if I convert to a table pulley and then use compound object, use Boolean or ProBoolean, not different union, add and select this one. Now you can see, now already I have just one shape, and you can see the Boolean delete some segments from here, but Boolean can drive you crazy. After subtraction, face may break or holes appear. Boolean struggles with complex geometry, but ProBoolean solve this problem. ProBoolean like hero for me. Now I create a box here. And for example, this one, Now I convert to a table pulley. Now compound object and ProBoolean. ProBoolean works in a real-time add, subtract, cut, and also you can edit or delete later. For example, I select this one and now use this and start picking, or for example merge or subtract, so maybe it's better. And you can see, and if in box, in modifier, for example, centered object, and now in box I use this and this one, or this, and you can make change. And you have cookie and imprint also here. And now I select this and change operation in cylinder. I select this one, for example this. You can see I can change this, and for example one more shape, delete this one, create a box, and modify. Change like this. In compound object again ProBoolean, use for example this one. You can see ProBoolean has a same operation as subtract, intersection, merge. Output is cleaner and more stable. Topology says solid. And also, again, you can convert to a table pull later and fully edit a table. And one more example. For example, I create a box here, like a wall, like this. And in 2D shape also I can use rectangle. In this one. And little bit move. Use all report, don't forget. And now convert to a table spline. Ouch. And in vertex, for example, I refine one point here, turn off, and convert bezier corner, move, and also convert in this bezier corner, and also this one. For example, like this, and then extrude, like this. Now in compound objects ProBoolean, start picking and first. Okay. Start picking. Now you can see I can delete this. And also in a rectangle, for example, select this one and little bit move, and you can see I can make change. Mirror removal, keep extra geometry, and then convert to a table pool later. And also here in an advanced option, we can make what for subdivision modeling, and you know, always I rather use some subdivision modeling, and also when I want to use turbo smooth, it's so useful. That creates some quad here. When I want to use turbo smooth, if I don't use this quad, I cannot see clear result. And also I can change from here. You can see. So you know, now Boolean is simple but risky. ProBoolean is faster, cleaner, flexible, still using Boolean. It's better to switch to ProBoolean. I don't need this now. And I think it's enough for this session. So now we learned ProBoolean and Boolean, and now we know ProBoolean is better and more flexible. And now I want to create two objects, and you can see how easy. I create a box and change. Okay, like this. Now hit auto create. No, don't forget. For example, don't forget to use all viewport for more control and create a clean object. I think it's nice. I can pick this a little bit more. Yeah. And now, again, okay, and modify, and I want to copy type shift and move. Okay, and rotate, angle snap, again move from this viewport, yeah, and I want more copy. Okay, rotate and move. Like this. Okay, I make copy from all. Alright. Now convert to a table play, and in a create in a compound object use ProBoolean. For first, subtract, start picking this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now I want to use twist. When I select twist, you can see axis here, and I can change angle from here, for example. And now I need one more twist. I can come in modifier list and again select twist, or I can right click here, copy, and again right click here and paste. Now I have double twist with double power, but I don't want in same axis. So I select the y axis, and you can see I create this one. And look at this quad. In ProBoolean, I can make quad and change this one. I need more. For create clean object, especially when I want to use true smooth, but now I don't need. And also now from this one, convert to async poly, common object ProBoolean, and now start picking this one, and then subtract this one, this one, and this one, and again I need twist here. Okay, from this one I need one more. This time I use from here, change axis, and again rotate. You can see, boom, we create the object fast and easy. And also we have one more difference between Boolean and ProBoolean. Sometimes, for example, when you want to create a plane in your model, okay? I have this plane, and now I want to see what's different. Okay, we copy again, convert this one to a table poly, and also this one, maybe I forgot. In this one, in compound object, I select Boolean, and then, for example, subtract. In Boolean, I can see what happened, and now this one, okay, sorry, and now this one in a ProBoolean, you can see in Boolean delete some polygon from here, but in ProBoolean create some polygon here for me. It's rather which one you want, but it's the one difference between a Boolean and ProBoolean. So it's beautiful. Now you know when to use Boolean and when to switch to ProBoolean. If this helped, hit like, comment, and check my channel for more tips in 3ds Max. And see you in the next one.